this $10,000 to $30,000 per month business selling the AI powered GoHighLevel SaaS account. By the way, guys, if you do not know me, like on my YouTube channel, all these interviews are available. I've done interview with the CEO and the main face of the GoHighLevel, Sean Clark, Warren Veravan, the co-founder, Chase Buckner, the spokesperson of the GoHighLevel, and I have won awards from the GoHighLevel. I have been using it. This is one of the posts from early 2020 when it was just 1,500 agencies sign up with GoHighLevel. Right now, it's like more than 90,000 agencies. So what do you need to understand? It's very simple, and it's like it's all in the mind that we are eventually doing things, and within our mind and within the other person's mind. So what is the secret psychology of selling? The person, basically, he's one of my friend. He happened to sell so many AI chatbots and AI voice agents to businesses. That's what he told me. That, see, it's not complicated. It is just that you have to, first of all, make a realistic promise to them, and do not talk about the techno jargon. That, oh, this AI chatbot or this agent and this workflow and all these things. No, just simple language that they can understand. That, okay, we are going to make your business AI automated and 24/7 run, something like that. But this words is not enough, because so many people happen to promise them left, right, and center. So whom they trust, they don't even have time for this. And the last thing people want is they do not want to be sold. So you have to actually give them the solution first. That's when the selling comes later, because you have to create a dream vision, dream picture for them, that this is the solution looks like, this is how everything will be automated, and that's when they can make a decision. So they just want to chase that dream, and that dream becomes so powerful that they want to give you money for it. That's the secret psychology of selling. You sell it backwards. So what is the promise that you are going to give? This snapshot set that we are going to give you, this 127 snapshot, and AI powered script that can turn any snapshot into AI powered, and it's done for your workflow, websites, and everything. So how does the end result look like? What you're going to do is just going to record this 1-minute video and showing how their business is going to be automated. Really, like as an external agent, you're going to chat, the person is going to chat, and everything will be automated. So let me just walk the talk and show you. I have quickly recorded this, as well as I'm going to show you what all do you get, and then how do you get this snapshot. So basically what you're going to show them, I've quickly recorded. I'll just play it in front of you. So here you show them that, okay, from your external website, the AI agent is going to talk, and as if like, hey, tell me about your business, and it is going to tell everything. And this is physiotherapy, by the way. Any of this snapshot is available. Great, I have an injury, I need an appointment. So everything is now being done by the AI itself from the external smart website. So it is giving the appointment dates and time, and basically, let's say your client says, okay, I want it for 16th October, 3 p.m. The next thing that it should ask for the name, email, and stuff. Can you give me the full name and number and description of the injury? So basically, as if any assistant is going to ask and actually book the appointment. So this is an email, this is a neck injury, and it's AI driven. So it's not a specific format in which the client has to enter any format information they give. So there you go. The appointment is booked, and that's it. And if you go into the CRM, you see the CRM is updated with the contact. And not just that, because the workflows are defined for this snapshot, right away appointment is created, and then workflow is triggered, internal notification is sent, and SMS reminder is sent, and dashboard pipeline is updated. So your customer logs in, because an external agent has done everything. They see within their dashboard the pipeline is updated. And as you can see, like the automation for all these snapshots that you're going to get, this is just one of them. It's like thoroughly defined what all sequence of events should happen. For example, in this case, if you see the confirmation, the moment appointment gets confirmed, what sequence of things should happen? Internal notification should be sent, confirmation SMS should be sent 2 days before a reminder, 24 hours before, and 1 hour before. Imagine hundreds of people going through this. By the way, this is the snapshot folder that you're going to get. So any of the snapshot that you can think of, divorce, restaurant, real estate, security, HVAC, and even the premium ones, communities, coaching. And then this is the base snapshot, which even has given the script. That script, you can just paste it in ChatGPT and just change the niche name, let's say from dentist to chiropractor to whatever. And it is going to just recreate that niche for your respective business, whatever client that you're serving. So this folder is evergreen for all possible niches of business you're trying to serve. And it is going to create this AI agent and the script for it as well. So yeah, this is how everything, and similarly like the conversation chatbot, the voice agent and the conversation agent. So this is the ultimate folder that you're going to get. Now, as I showed you, like this is how the solution you're going to sell. Apart from that, you'll even get the access to this private WhatsApp mastermind group where you have the inner circle members, and imagine like moving towards your goal along with other people who are actually, and then one-to-one private support with my expert. Only 3 people in the group, as you can see, me, my expert, and the client private support, where we handle all your onboarding. So this is the perfect bonus vault that you're going to get. All we are asking in return is you go and sign up to the GoHighLevel using our affiliate link. This is the link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. Special link created by GoHighLevel for us. You get extended 30-day free trial. Now, if you've already got the plan, you can just upgrade to $297 or $497 plan using our link. This is the link, GoHighLevel, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. There you can upgrade to $297 or $497. The moment that you do that, sign up or upgrade, just email us here, abdullah@abdullahzahid.com, or WhatsApp me at my Dubai number. And as you can see, 127 snapshot WhatsApp, like this is the bonus vault you're going to get. 127 snapshot folder that we showed you, private WhatsApp mastermind group, one-to-one personal WhatsApp support. All of this you're going to get. And as I said, this is the secret to closing. I just showed you the video. You're sending this video, you're giving them in the mind of the people those solution. And this is the dream that they're having, that, okay, what if my system looks like this? Everything is automated. And that's when you're charging them, okay, we'll do it all for $297 a month only. Like imagine no raise, 24/7 working, and everything handled. Your entire business is handled. It's a no-brainer offer you're giving to them. Now, guys, for some people, they even want, that, okay, I can't sign up, I can't upgrade. So for them, you still have an option. You just go to AI employee and settings. Like just go to agency settings, AI employee, manage offers, and within field FP reference, just put our code AIBONUSCS, AI bonuses, and that's it. So stop building from the scratch. Use the system, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. By the way, once you put this code AI bonuses, just click apply and email us the screenshot, and we'll deliver you the entire bonus set. So let's make that 100 plus SaaS clients possible. And it is very much possible, guys. As I showed you, you have to think otherwise. Like you have to keep yourself into the shoes of your customer. That nobody wants to be sold. So rather than making the process promise, you just write away. Let's say it's XYZ Texas Physical Therapy. You replace it to their logo, that we have created this smart website for you that's automated. This is how it will look like. Now you are right. Nobody, like people have got this time to see a ready-made solution. Once they see ready-made solution, and that's when, imagine you're offering 14-day no risk free trial. That's when you're opened all the guards that people have. And the moment that you let in your system into their system, and as many people, imagine like 30%, 40%, 50% people stay on, you have a bunch of people starting. Like that's how you become SaaSpreneur. I hope that you found the video helpful. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll even leave a quick promo video for the bonuses that you're going to get. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the GoHighLevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my GoHighLevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our GoHighLevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
To further add to it, that you're even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these peoples will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the GoHighLevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.